Wes from Avatar Offroad. Today we are installing the lock box for the under bed compartment in a Sprinter EKKO. This same product will work on your Transit EKKO as well. It's a pretty simple install. It comes with basically 10 screws. There's 3 metal style screws, self-drilling metal screws, and there's 7 wood style self-drilling screws. So the tools you're going to need to install this, I'll get this out of the box. This is what comes in the box, is the actual lid itself and the keys and all the screws you need. To install it, you're basically going to need some form of a power screwdriver, either a drill, an impact, or the screwdriver itself. To aid in the install, you're going to want some way of clamping this in place while you're drilling the holes. You can use several different models, different versions of the vice grip to hold it. We've got just a standard vice grip that will work. We've got custom ones that we use at our metal shop, and then just a standard wood style will also work, an adjustable wood style that you can get at Harbor Freight for $5. So that's the tools needed to install this. All right, we'll go inside and I'll show you where this thing goes. All right, we're going to open the product up to start with, and then we'll set it in place. It goes right in this little compartment right here. So we'll kind of just hold it in place, and then we'll get our clamp to hold it while we drill the holes. Once you've got it clamped, you can you want it to basically flush out with the top of this, piece of wood here. So, and then just make sure it's flushing out on both sides. And then we'll grab a second clamp and we'll bring it up. And again, flush this leading edge. You should be able to move it a little bit. There you go. So again, just make sure that this is flush here and here, both of these. All right, so these 3 edges, what I'll call the front, the back, and the left side, are going to use a wood screw. The right side is going to use a metal screw. So make sure your clamps are far enough out of the way so you can still get your drill dude in there to mount the first screw. Get this set in our gun. All right, with those screws in on that side, you can get your clamps out of the way. You've still got some play here, so you'll need to make sure you keep this level when you start in these next couple of screws. This middle one is the next best one to go with, and that's going to use one of our metal screws. And there you are.